Easy chicken recipe. How to make chicken at home. This is a simple and easiest way to make chicken at home. Keep watching. Just get your chicken, remove the back of your chicken, wash it very properly. Then you go ahead to add it in a bowl. Prepare the sauce, prepare the spices you're going to use to marinate it. Here I have a lot of spices. Feel free to use any spices of your choice. I have chicken spices here. I mix them together. I have turmeric, I have paprika, I have black pepper, I have a lot of them, turmeric, thyme, and etc. Now marinate them very well and add them in your pan. And you're going to bake it with 450 to 500. Within 40-50 minutes it is done, and you have your chicken to enjoy. Just watch how I'm going to achieve this wonderful. The kids love it so much. Remember, it's now added in the oven and it is about done. Keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know what you think about the chicken. What would you like to use to enjoy it? Here we are going to be using. It's done. Anything at all. We are going to use salads. We are going to use potato salad. Yeah, potato salad. We call it in Dutch katoke salad. It's very nice for this. It is done. Let's bring it out. Look at how good this chicken looks. This is easy chicken recipe you can do at home and enjoy it with your family. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about this. Bye. You can see the pan is so moisture and yummy chicken. Thank you. Bye. Wow, it is done. Bye, ciao.